I just got this cordless stick vacuum and I'm really excited to use this. So I have a dog and I'm really excited for this to pick up all the pet hair that's laying around the house all the time. So we're gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you. This is so great. It has easy directions right here when you open it up. The quick start guide. And then the packaging is really nice. We have some parts. And I'm just gonna open this up and show it, put it together and show it to you. And then I'm gonna show you how I use it around my house too. So this cordless vacuum comes with everything that you see here, and I'm really excited about this because it's super lightweight. So this is going to be really easy to go around the whole entire house and clean. It has a lot of suction, so it's super powerful, which is going to be great to get all that pet hair and dirt that just accumulates around your house. It has an LED screen that I'm going to show you once I turn it on. Like I said, it's super lightweight and it's going to do really great giving your house a deep clean. This works on carpets and hardwood floors. It's really easy to empty. Once it's full, you just press that and empty that out. So super convenient. And it comes with this power brick that I already put in. So it's really nice, compact, easy to use. And to change out the attachments, you would just put that right in there and then click that and it comes right back out. And I love that it has all these different attachments. So you have the long ones so you can just stand up and clean, or the shorter ones for like your stairs and harder to catch places. This cordless vacuum is so awesome. I'm loving it. It's picking up all the pet hair around my house and the extra dirt that just accumulates in all the corners. It's super quiet, so it's not bothering my dog either, which is great. It's lightweight, the suction is really awesome, and it's easy to use. So I'm able to just carry it around my whole house and clean up where I need to. So I love how compact it is and how easy it is to use. I would definitely suggest this cordless vacuum. It is amazing.